welcome to my first ever train video from me. So we're gonna start off at Sherrybrooke Place with this level crossing. So first of all, we got a Western Cullen haze barriers on both sides. Then we have 4 sets of Montrose of Penrose LED lights. And these are actually really old. Like look, you can see the rusting over there. So yeah, we have to wait for a train, Auckland line. Let's cross to the other side because I think I'll get a better recording angle. So yeah, now all we have to do is wait for some trains. It's gonna take a bit of time. I haven't checked the timetable for these trains. Let me just do a count up again. So we have 4 sets of Montrose of Penrose LED lights, 2 sets of Western Cullen haze E-bells, and really old sets of Western Cullen haze barriers. So this is a pretty regular crossing, but it's really nice. So let's just go wait for some trains. And I also found a really cool fence to balance the camera on. So I'm just gonna cut the video here and I'll start again when the train comes. While we wait, they don't really have a pedestrian system. They just have a little maze, regular look for trains and cross the crossing. Let's go. It's finally active. I can hear that one of the bells is slower than the other. Let's go. There's a train coming soon. I think they replaced that set of lights. Look at how bright it is compared to everything else. LED lights. How awesome. I think this is a stopping train, so it's right there. That was awesome. They even had the new trains and the new barriers and stuff. That was amazing. There's another train. Another train from the other side. Yo, I just read straight out of the car. 2 crossings in one go. Here's a mini crossing that's 30 seconds long. Epic.